Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check your trending topics into your Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to check that, you just simply have to open your Binance and go over this yellow Binance icon into the top left corner. After tapping into there, you will get to see this square option. Tap to square, and after tapping in there you will get to see a bunch of options into this home page. Now you just simply have to select this profile icon into the bottom right corner. Tap there, and then you will get this option of what's hot. Now from this section you can get the option of trending articles, and if you look closely you will get to see this option of trending topics. Tap to that, and then you will get to see all of the trending topics. Check this, and while you upload your content into Binance Square, use this type of trending topics and your post might go viral. This way you can very easily check all the trending topics into Binance Square. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.